Today, I'm going to be reviewing Againmore travel case. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. If you're looking for a travel case, just very simple. It's hard on the outside. You can push in a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. So if you have electric razor, beard trimmer, anything like that, lubricating oil, definitely places for all of it to go. Nice little zippered pocket right here if you need to put something in there and keep it separate from everything else. You've got 3 Velcro straps inside here. Pretty normal, nothing special, but definitely works well. And the size, I'm gonna show you, if you see how big it is, here's my hand. It's not very big, but it's gonna hold everything you want. Just make sure you realize this does not come with anything but the case. Nothing that they show in the picture is in the case. This is what it looks like up close. This does get 5 stars. It only has 8 reviews, but it's inexpensive. And if you're looking for something to put your shaver in, this is a perfect option. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.